Well, today we're out here at Dunlap, Tennessee, in the snow, as you can tell, high atop a local mountain, and we are building the Auburn Modern Farmhouse. Let's go. Hi, I'm Billy Ashley. I am a project manager for the Chattanooga office of America's Home Place. Today we're going to be conducting a block wall foundation checklist. This comes from what we call 10 to win checklist. If you'll look over here, we had bricks delivered today to do the brick veneer. They like to stage the bricks, the cubes of bricks around the house, so they're not having to, lug them all over the place. When we show up at a job site, we'll do a site meeting. And during that site meeting, we'll do something called shooting the elevation. And basically that's just looking at the terrain. Where's it slope here? Where is it slope there? So when they pour the footers, you'll notice that they're the step downs. Usually it's the quickest way to get down from the least amount of courses to the maximum amount of courses, which is in that back corner. Now, if you notice, some of these cells are filled with mortar. The reason for that is we put these J-bolts in. These J-bolts are to receive and lock down the bottom plate, or the sill plate, or the mud plate as it's often called. And then on top of that is basically where your wall studs will sit. Now if you walk down this way, you'll see an opening. This is our crawl space door. This is the access under your house. So obviously all this water won't be in here once we get it dried in, and this will allow people to get in and under the house. Within the inside of the crawl space, you've noticed the piers, as we call them. They do sit on top of their own foundation, pier pad as we call them. And they're stacked as high as the courses, but one course below the wall they're adjacent to. They are to receive the girder beams that are kind of the backbone of the house, of the floor system anyway. And then running perpendicular to the girders will be the floor joists. If you've noticed, some of the blocks from the inside of the foundation anyway are kind of inset. They are to receive the block vents, and basically they're just for vent the underside of the house where moisture can escape so it doesn't build up, causing like mold and mildew and things of that nature. So today we did conduct the block wall foundation checklist, checking for the walls being plumbed, level, J-bolts, block vents. Now from here we'll put a brick veneer around the outside of the foundation, and then after that we'll start framing the floor system. So if you're interested in building your custom home, please reach out to us at americashomeplace.com.